Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So, as we know that the One UI 6.1.1 update is finally rolled out and now it is all the hype about the One UI 7 update. So, we will get to see the One UI 7 by the end of this year or most probably the next year. But using this trick, you can get an early access to this clock widgets and application of the One UI 7. As for now, as you can see, the clock application is on the older version of One UI 6. To update your clock application, you just have to go to your Chrome application and search for this Samsung clock 12.4.004.8 using the APK mirror. From here, you just have to scroll down and download this APK. Now, depending on your internet speed, this APK will start downloading. And once the download process is completely done, you will get to see a notification of update. For that, you just have to wait for a while until your download process is completed. As you can see over here, the download process is now completed. You will get to see this update option. You just have to simply click on this update option and your clock application will be updated. But to install this APK, you have to make sure that in your security and privacy, your auto blocker is turned off. As if your auto blocker is turned on, it will block all the APK downloading and side loading of the apps. So for the download process, you just have to turn off this auto blocker, and after installing your clock application, you can turn this auto blocker on. And finally, as you can see, the clock application is now updated. You will get to see the new logo of the clock application and the newer version as well. As you can see, 12.4.00.8. There are some other versions also available, but I was facing some errors in them, so this is the most stable one that I got. You will also get to see these new widgets that might appear loading, but once you will apply them, they will be completely working fine. As you can see, it is working completely fine. There are some other widgets also available that you can apply by simply long pressing and clicking on this widgets option. There are multiple widgets available. This is the digital clock widget also available that you can apply over here. You can also enlarge or small it according to your choice. And the best part of these widgets is that it is completely lag free. There is no lag while opening and closing of this. As you can see, whenever I open and close these widgets, they are completely lag free. There is no lag available on these widgets. So do check out these widgets of the new clock application and let me know in the comment section that which widget is your favorite one. Next up, there is another feature that you guys might be missing out, and that is this new music recognition button. Now with the circle to search option, you get to see this music recognition feature as well, by which you can recognize any music that is playing in your background. So do check out this feature as well, as it is really handy if you want to identify any song. And in the end, if by any chance you do not want this new application of update, you can simply click on these three dots and then click on this uninstall updates, and your older version will be back. And that's a wrap for today's video. Check out this new clock application, and if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new updates.